today we're going to be
drawing lowercase o from alphabet lore.
That's right, lowercase o from alphabet lore. We've done them all up to O. We've done the whole uppercase series. Check those out on our YouTube channel if you haven't already. You ready to get started?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. So today we are here for what's going to end up being a quick draw, because this thing is, although it's probably not going to go into our official quick draw series because those are like fast forwarded drawings, but this is going to be a short one. So just about the center of the page, a little bit higher, we're going to put O's huge eyeball. See, the thing about O is his eye didn't, from when he was little to when he's an adult, his eye didn't grow, but his body did. So his eye looks really big on his body. So we're gonna start right up here. Just like that. Doesn't have to be perfect, right, Landon?
Nope.
At Craft Kids TV, we don't go for perfection, we go for
Fun.
That's right, fun. Cool. Now the pupil of this eye is going to mimic the shape. Be careful not to get too close, because the marker does bleed a little bit. So it is a big pupil, but leave yourself plenty of room. And we can always thicken and get a little closer later. And we'll just color those right in black. All right, man. Now, this thing has 2 steps left. Draw a big circle, draw a little circle. It is important that we try to start the circle and end the circle in the right place. So we're gonna do the outer circle first. It's gonna start about there and end about there.
That's good.
That is not perfect, but it's fine. We'll thicken it up, it'll be fine.
I'm just gonna go for it.
Let's go for it.
That's not bad.
And then the inside circle is gonna start about that part of his eye and it's gonna end about that part of his eye. Try to stay the same thickness, not easy to do, all the way around your circle. Okay, we're gonna thicken these up so they're gonna look better. Mine does not look very good right now, but we'll show you how to thicken these up, make them look better.
That's not bad.
Good job. Interesting way you did the circle there, my man.
I know.
I like it though.
The inside circle looks better than the outside one.
Yeah. So in practice, we did fine, and then it was a little bit of a struggle here to get these circles right, for me anyways. But I'm gonna try to thicken this up so that it looks a little better. I can't really stand how it looks right now, but I'm gonna try to fix it and make it look a little bit better. So we'll do that first, then we'll color. All right, so Lynn and I have decided we're going to do a magic trick. We're going to, and by the way, I just wanted to point out, like, just stick with your drawing, even if you don't love it at first. Do some thickening, see what it looks like. We both like our drawings much better now that we thickened them up. And really, my lines are really thick, thicker than I usually do, but it doesn't matter. Like, it's gonna come out looking great. So, we're gonna do a magic trick, and the magic trick we're going to do is, we're gonna take away these back papers. And what Landon just decided is that he thinks we should, I love this idea, we slide it right off the table, and then slide it right back on the table, and it's gonna be colored. Okay? Ready, bud?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, and slide back on. They're colored! It worked, buddy! Those are awesome! What a great magic trick! 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
It's so fun.
You don't know when to stop.
It's hard to know when to stop. Yeah. So these are our lowercase O's. We had a great time. Did you have fun, Landon?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. So, cool magic trick, by the way.
Yeah.
And if you feel like checking any of the other alphabet lore videos out, we have done all of the uppercase and we've done the lowercase all the way up to O. We're having a great time doing it, so check them out.
Yeah.
Until we see you next time, keep
Keep
drawing,
drawing,
stay
stay
awesome.
awesome.
Bye. Come on, buddy!
footage.